In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time block using Google Calendar. Time blocking is a simple habit that helps you protect your focus and plan your day with intention. Instead of keeping a long to-do list and hoping everything fits, you assign specific time on your calendar for the tasks that matter most. Let's walk through how to do this quickly and clearly inside Google Calendar. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. You should be looking at the week view so you can see your days laid out from morning to evening. This view makes it easier to spot open space and plan realistically across the entire week. If your calendar is already populated with meetings or fixed commitments, that's perfect. It gives you a clear picture of what time is truly available. Next, create your first time block. Find the day and the starting time you want to reserve. Click and hold on the calendar grid, then drag downward to cover the duration you want. For example, if you want a 90-minute focus session, drag from the starting time down until the end time. When you release, Google Calendar will open an event window for that block. This is your reserved focus time. Think of it as an appointment with your most important task. Keep the duration realistic. And remember that time blocks are about intention, not perfection. It's better to slightly underestimate and finish early than to overbook yourself. If you're unsure, start with shorter blocks and expand later as you learn your pace. Once your block looks right, go ahead and save it. Clicking save confirms the reservation on your calendar and displays it as a solid block in the schedule. You'll now see your time protected on that day, which reduces the chance of overcommitting. If plans change later, don't worry. Time blocking is flexible. You can revisit the block and adjust it to fit your day, but for now, saving it locks in your plan. Repeat this for the other key tasks in your week. Focusing on the work that moves your goals forward. A helpful mindset is to place your most demanding work at times when you naturally have the most energy and leave space between blocks for context switches and quick breaks. Over time, you'll notice patterns that help you schedule smarter. That's it. Open Google Calendar in Week View, click and drag to create your time block and save. With a few consistent sessions each week, you'll turn your calendar into a plan you can trust.